about that.
I know.
More? Okay.
You're good.
All right.
All right,
Here you go,
Lucy.
Lucy.
You ready?
What do you do when you go down the hill?
Hold on.
No, you put your hands in the air and yell.
There goes our friend, Ellie. Are you ready? Okay. It's Ellie's turn. Are you ready, Ellie? Okay, say, Ellie, can you say go? Do you have your hands in the air? Go! Ah! Wow, bump! What is it? You want to go more? Okay.